There are times when you want to delete the images and containers that you have in your Docker project and rebuild your project so you can start out with fresh containers, eliminate any containers and images that were from previous builds that got orphaned and situations like that. So we'll start by deleting the containers that we've built. For that, we're going to use the Docker remove, which is abbreviated as RM. And if you want to get help on the command, you can do Docker RM help. And you'll see that you can also get rid of volumes, and you can force the removal of the container. So in other words, if like a container is running in the background or whatever, you would want to stop the container running first and then do the deletion. So putting it all together, we do Docker remove, and we can do VF. Now, we can delete one container at a time by putting its ID here. So you would just type out whatever the ID is and then hit enter, but you can also remove all the containers at once. Like in my case, I have 5 containers in my project. And to do that, we just need to list all the containers, passing that information over to the remove command. So to list all the containers, we can use another Docker command and run that inside of a intermediate script here with the $sign. And so to list the containers, we're going to use Docker PS, and we want to list all of them, even if they're not running. And we don't want anything but the ID, so we're going to use the quiet or Q command. So this subcommand here is going to list out all those IDs of the containers, and then that list is going to be passed over to the remove command. And there's the 5 containers in my project. Now to remove the images, we use a similar command, but it's RMI, and then instead of RM. So remove images, you can also get help on this one. We won't need the V command in this case because there's not going to be any volumes associated with images, since they're just file systems and configurations. There's no volumes with an image because the image isn't the running part, it's the containers that are the running part. So the command is going to be similar, except for instead of remove, we're going to do remove image, RMI, and we don't need the volume, so we're just going to do the -F. And now we need to list the images. So before we used Docker PS to list containers, but to list images, we do Docker images, but it is the same 2 switches. So we have the all to list even the intermediate images, and then the Q to just bring back the IDs only. We don't want to bring back all the columns of data because that wouldn't fit the RMI command, which only wants just the ID of the containers. It doesn't want any other information. All right, and there we have it. We've deleted all the images, including all the intermediates and all the top level images, the ones that were tagged. And so now we have a clean project, and we can rebuild the project from scratch using our Docker Compose Up.